UK sport angling. We're back afloat aboard Toadfish 2. We're going to be fishing a mark today on the Gower Peninsula called pwll, which is the big rocky outcrop between sort of Oxford Point and Mumble's Head. We've got a very, very short window of opportunity today with a really, really big tide. We're going to get about 2.5 hours fishing if we're lucky. Hopefully to catch a couple of the big tope that's been frequent in the area lately. Wish us luck. Off we go. So we're anchored. Tope rods are out. Bit of a hazy old day today. Not the sunshine we were basking in 2 or 3 weeks ago, but we'll take what we can get. Oxford Point in the distance. Coming around the 3 cliffs, Hunt's Bay, and you got pwll in all the glory. Lindsay waiting for his first run.
Please. Ordered.
See all the way down to Caswell, Langland, Mumble's Head in the distance. Let's hope for a few more fish. Come on, baby. We're back afloat, absolutely ploughing on. Tope on the new rod. Absolutely screaming off. The new rod's getting a workout. Looks like we've hooked the first tope of the day. Quite shallow here, about 65 foot of water. Not that deep. Go really, really well. Just come up off the bottom. Nice to be back afloat. Back into some decent fish. Just nailed that mackerel straight away. Fresh bait, what a difference. Surprising this year how close in shore they are. It's, that one went off like a rocket. A little bit more guts in these Kenzakis, the 20. Sorry, it's a 12 to 20. Want to come up? Oh. He's found the Pato circle hook. Oh. He's got under the boat. He's got under.
It's a nice fish.
Well, yeah. The sun's starting to come out. That little bit of easterly wind this morning, I thought, here we go. It's giving us enough to just to get anchored. First fish of the day. There's the leader. Can't be far now. He's quite a weight to him too. You can never tell. When he comes.
Oh, it's a nice looking fish that.
Yeah. Let's have a look. Let's just catch the leader. Oh, here's a nice fish too, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Right in the scissors of the jaw, look at that. Right in the corner. Wow. Lovely fish.
Very distant.
Lovely fish. Yeah. Let me give it a sign. Yeah. I should be able to jump that hook straight away, and off he goes. Woo! Hey.
Lovely job, well done.
First tope of the day.
Yeah, indeed.
You in, Lynn?
Yeah, yeah.
Tope on.
First one.
First one of the day. Well, I think he's dropped mine, so I'll just leave mine down out of the way. Hopefully he won't pick it back up. What's it feel like, Lynn, to be back in tope in action?
That is the best feeling.
Our biggest problem today is we might run out of bait. The mackerel have been an absolute nightmare to find. I always find that on good tope years, mackerel are always scarce. Once the tope disappear, they turn up in numbers. Sound effects about toadfish today. Lindsay's in his fighting stance. We waited a while to feel that one. There we go. A bit of a side on today, southeasterly. Wasn't forecast, but we've got it anyway. Tug of war continues.
Leader.
There's a leader, watch. He's up. There he comes. He didn't like the light.
Oh.
Wow. Here comes the leader a second time.
I'll grab it.
Mr. Tope is there somewhere. There he is. In the depths below. No sunlight today. Oh, nice fish again. Not a bad stamp, are they? Not massive, but it, and away he goes. Wow. Fresh versus frozen, Lynn, what do you reckon? Wow.
He got under the boat, he got under the boat! It's a smack fish. Oh my god, he have got under the boat too.
Fresh versus frozen, Lynn, can I have your opinion again?
Deadlock.
Fresh bait, absolutely essential.
Oh.
Wow. Whoa, whoa, give him a bit of line, he's gonna... That's it. So there, is he? Yeah. Going for the anchor, is he? I think he's headed for the charter boat, obviously. Come on, I don't know how much battery we got. Wow.
Oh! Oh! I got cramp in my foot.
We're on battery warning now. Can't.
Oh, let me get some line back.
He's running a funny angle, isn't he?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Directly under the boat.
Yeah. Got a hacksaw on the keel now.
We gotta turn him round. Bring him in. Drown him.
Draw him in and drown him, Brody.
Drown him, Brody. He's coming up to me now.
Come on, I gotta put this camera back on charge. You can see he's actually trying to swim for the deeper water. More chance of seeing him come up the other side, I think.
You may not be wrong.
Did my line the other day.
Oh,
You might not.
come on, you little bugger.
They do fight better in the shallower water, don't they?
Oh,
No doubt about it.
Right scrappy to me.
Uncle Scooby! Flat him!
Come on, you get.
Let me at him, Uncle Scooby! Finally back out.
Oh, he's gone.
You were kidding me.
Oh no!
Oh, you're absolutely...
No! No!
Oh, you got my line as well. Go on after all that.
Oh no! Oh, that's no! That's bad news, isn't it?
Too much tug of war.
Oh, bloody
Pull
hell.
the circle out.
He's come to the boat, have he?
He's not a smart big fish.
Yeah? No.
Ah!
Snapped him, look.
Wow!
What have we done?
Blown a swivel.
Oh, what a bastard nightmare.
Blown a swivel. Unreal. I'm happy with that.
Oh, bugger. No.
Internet shit. Well, that's it. Did manage a few nice tope. One biggie lost. The tug of war champion. Never mind. You lose one, you rig one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.